Ethical autonomy for defense systems. In national defense, trust is not a feature, it is a foundation. Every mission, every network, and every decision relies on systems that protect information, uphold ethics, and prove accountability. The United States Department of Defense has long required that contractors, partners, and technology providers safeguard controlled information with precision. To guide that protection, the National Institute of Standards and Technology Special Publication 80171 defines how sensitive defense data must be handled, and the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification ensures that those standards are applied and verified across the entire supply chain. At Fourth Industrial Systems, we transform these principles into living systems through policy as code and agentic artificial intelligence, enabling secure autonomy that is transparent, ethical, and continuously verified. Traditional compliance frameworks rely on checklists and manual documentation. But in defense, static paperwork cannot keep pace with real-time risk. Our approach embeds ethics, compliance, and security directly into technology. Governance agents translate Department of Defense and National Institute of Standards and Technology requirements into machine-readable policy. They continuously evaluate user access, encryption, auditing, and reporting controls, detecting deviations before they become vulnerabilities. Ethics agents ensure that every automated decision aligns with established rules of engagement, human oversight, and national ethical guidelines for artificial intelligence. They monitor decision-making boundaries, flag ambiguous outcomes, and escalate sensitive cases for human review. Integrity agents verify that data used in defense analytics remains complete, unaltered, and traceable throughout its life cycle. And resilience agents simulate response scenarios, ensuring systems recover quickly under stress while preserving mission assurance. Policy as code transforms defense standards into executable logic. Each rule, from identity verification to encryption strength, is enforced automatically by software agents operating at network speed. When a configuration drifts, the system flags it. When a credential expires, it renews it securely. When a user exceeds authorization limits, access is suspended and logged instantly. This is compliance that does not wait for audits. It operates in real time. Every action is recorded, time-stamped, and cryptographically signed. Every event generates immutable proof. Auditors and commanders alike can see, at any moment, that their systems meet the highest standards of security and ethical conduct. Agentic artificial intelligence extends this assurance even further. These agents do not simply follow rules, they reason about intent. They understand when a decision requires human oversight and when it can execute autonomously under approved policy. If an automated process encounters uncertainty or an ethical dilemma, it pauses, explains the risk, and requests human guidance. This ensures that accountability remains human, even as autonomy accelerates operations. By combining human judgment with machine precision, we create systems that are both intelligent and responsible, a balance essential for national defense. In defense, ethics and security are inseparable. The United States Department of Defense requires technology that can prove its trustworthiness, demonstrate its resilience, and respect the boundaries of human control. At Fourth Industrial Systems, we build that trust into every line of code. By integrating the frameworks of the Department of Defense, the National Institute of Standards and Technology Special Publication 80171, and the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification with policy as code and agentic artificial intelligence, we redefine what it means to defend responsibly. Our systems do not just detect and respond. They decide ethically, act securely, and document every proof of compliance automatically. Because in the modern defense enterprise, security is not just protection. It is accountability. It is ethics in action. And it is the foundation for global trust. At Fourth Industrial Systems, we call this ethical autonomy, where policy becomes code, where autonomy meets accountability, and where national defense meets digital integrity.